For this project, you will need your selected yarn, measuring tape, 5mm hook, yarn needle, darning needle, cuddler and buttons. First, let's start with the front piece. For the crop top, measure around your bust and crochet half of the measurement for all the sizes. Now, I'm going to crochet for size small, which is my size, chain 51. I'm chaining according to my half measurements of my bust. So this is how we are going to crochet it for the front piece. After chaining 51, chain 2. Insert your hook into the second chain from your hook, and this is your first stitch. Crochet 9 more half double crochet. After crocheting 9 half double crochet, chain 1. Skip one chain and work into the next chain. Chain 1. Skip one chain and work into the next chain. Continue working half double crochet until you have 13 chains left. Chain 1. Skip one chain and work into the next chain. Chain 1. Skip one chain and work into the next chain. Now crochet half double crochet till the last stitch. After you're done row 1, chain 1 and turn your work. So it's a 2-row repeat for this project. So work half double crochet in all the stitches in row 2. In row 3, as I have said, it's a 2-row repeat, so work the same pattern as row 1. Crochet the same pattern till row 17, which is 5 inches long. So in row 18, increase both sides, which means you have to work 2 half double crochet into the same stitch on both sides, and you have to increase only in row 18. Work 7 more rows, which is 1 inches long. For the back piece, I have crocheted the same number of chains as the front piece and crocheted with double crochet with no holes and same length as the front piece. Connect the pieces in one side with your yarn needle. This side of the piece, I'm gonna use buttons. Connect your buttons with your darning needles. And this is how the other side of the crop top will look like. For the strap, I'll crochet 53 chains and work half double crochet. So this is the final look. I hope you guys will like it. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe to my channel. That's all for today's video. I'll be back with more videos. Thank you for watching.